How does KeraVet Gel work? And KeraVet Gel is the main component of KeraVet Gel is keratin. Keratin is found in three places in the body. I mean, in human, it's found in your hair and your fingernails, and also the top layer of your skin called the epidermis. In animals, you can find it in beaks and hooves and other structures like that. But for us, it's found in those locations. And keratin is a really unique protein. It's what we've done a lot of research on it, and you have to kind of go back to how a wound heals to understand how the product works. And it's really complicated, but I'll try to boil it down. Um, there's two main layers of the skin, the epidermis and the dermis, and there's two main cell types. In the dermis, you have cells called fibroblasts, and those produce collagen. And then the epidermis, you have cells called keratinocytes, and as you can expect by the name, those produce keratin. And the keratin proteins help hold those junctions. They're called desmosomal junctions between the keratinocytes together. And so keratin is an important protein for that. What happens as a wound heals is the first layer heals with those fibroblasts, and then later on, the second layer, the epidermis, starts to heal. And so the body for through a lot of complicated cell signaling pathways and other things, understands that when it is exposed to keratin proteins, that means a wound is fairly late in the remodeling stage. And so what we find is when we take our the keratin proteins that are in KeraVet gel and we put it on a wound, it shuts down a lot of the inflammatory processes. And we've got a paper that's publishing that goes through all the science behind this. But inflammation in a wound it can be detrimental to the wound healing process, and our product pushes the wound faster through that wound remodeling stage through a variety of cell types called macrophages and through signaling from interleukins and cytokines. It's really complicated, but you can boil all down to it reduces inflammation, and reducing inflammation in wound care is actually really good.